As blizzard conditions and high winds are expected in parts of the upper Midwest, the focus further south are the strong thunderstorms, heavy rain and gusty winds. A squall line of thunderstorms, some of which are expected to be severe with damaging wind, torrential downpours and hail expected along this Arctic front as it moves east into tomorrow and Monday afternoon. Tornadoes are also an increasing concern highlighted by the Storm Prediction Center. They actually bumped up the tornado potential, which we'll touch on in a second. The severe weather threat tomorrow is expansive, extending all the way from southern Michigan down to the tip of Florida, and it's all due to this Arctic front. And this cold front is going to be a trigger for damaging winds, especially in the mid-Mississippi River Valley. But along that front, the squall line, we could see some embedded QLCS tornadoes. So just be prepared. All modes of severe weather are on the table here. But I would beg to guess that Monday may be more of a dynamic tornado threat than tomorrow is. They didn't end up upgrading with the Storm Prediction Center right now, still leaving things at a level 3 out of 5, but they did expand further south the damaging wind potential, so now including spots like Memphis and then the higher propensity for more dynamic storms just north of Jackson, Mississippi. Tomorrow, this is what changed with the tornado forecast, now going with a level 3 for Paducah, Nashville, Tupelo, Memphis, Jackson, Mississippi. You're not under that level 3, but you're under a level 2. And I've got to say, Jackson, you guys are a tornado magnet. If there's any chance of a tornado, I swear the NWS out of Jackson, they have a busy night. So no matter whether you're under a 1 or a 3 for the tornado risk, you always need to stay weather aware, especially when you hear the first signs of the wind coming in and that big rain push. In a squall line setup, it's right between that moment when the weather is calm to crazy. That's the highest chance of seeing a tornado. So if you have a tornado warning that's issued for your area and you look outside and you think it's not even raining, what do they mean? That is a big sign that, okay, this could be a real threat as the squall line pushes through. Tomorrow, the overnight threat does extend into East Tennessee, northern Georgia, and even into the Carolinas, but it'll really settle along the I-95 for the Carolinas come Monday afternoon. The time frame for this, that Arctic front really starting to settle in about 4 or 5 o'clock, but you see the greatest intensity of that by about 8 p.m. Central Time. For Memphis, Tennessee, by 8 o'clock, this is through, but for Tupelo, Mississippi, Jackson, Mississippi, this is right when the greatest risk for severe weather will be at hand. But notice how it's a little more of a bowing segment, which is almost like a half circle. Towards the mid-Mississippi Valley, that's the better chance for damaging wind. So Nashville later tomorrow evening, that is when you could be looking at damaging wind. And a lot of times people can confuse damaging wind with tornado damage. That is how significant it can be. So don't think, well, it's just a wind threat, it's not a tornado threat, that it can't be serious, especially with a level 4 out of 5 at place for Tupelo, Oxford, Mississippi, near Nashville, not quite Nashville, Paducah and southern Indiana and Illinois. Level 4, we could be looking at winds of over 75 miles per hour, which is hurricane force. And again, we even could see a couple isolated gusts of over 80 miles per hour.